Good morning, gardening friends. Just look at these tiger lilies. I like these. These are some of my favorite flowers. Yes, just look at these tiger lilies. This looks like the last bloom on my tree lilies. You can see in here they're making seeds already. So I need to go around and trim off those heads. Well, these cosmos are nice. They just volunteered here too. All these wildflowers I started from seed are growing pretty good. These are Stargazer lilies, and boy do they smell good. This is a smaller daylily type. It's about the size of the Stella d'Oro, but I think it's red Stella or something. I have to look that up. These are lemon lilies. They're like daylilies. The flowers only bloom for one day. Here the stalks keep falling over. These are hibiscus just getting ready to bloom. Here's some bare root plants I planted earlier this year. These are echinacea or coneflowers. I think that's why they call them cone flowers, because look at the cone shape it is. These are more Stargazer lilies. They have huge blooms that smell very good, perfumey. This is a variegated dogwood right here. And these are daisies. They've been blooming quite a bit, but it seems like they're almost done. Here's some more Stargazer lilies. And another one, that red Stella daylily. It's got the red with the yellow throats inside there. These flocks are about done. Unless these are just more buds coming on. Looks like they might be. This is kind of an overcast day. It's supposed to rain this afternoon. We've been getting quite a bit of rain. Some more tiger lilies. And here's a trumpet vine. And then here's more trumpet vine down here. And here's moss roses. Here's a rose getting ready to bloom. Right there. Look at all the poppies that have come back from seeds. And here is a party geranium I planted from bare roots this year. Here's another one over here and there. Here's all these baskets I put out. I just filled them with potting soil and put seeds on top. And I'm not sure why I got such poor germination on some of them. And I think it was the age of the seeds. It's the best excuse I can come up with. This one got slightly better, and this one got real good. Both of these two did. And that one got tipped over. This one got real good. Be anxious to see what all those things growing in there are. This one here, there's a squirrel or something digging in there. And here's this hardy geranium I planted here several years ago. It's been blooming like crazy all summer long. And the plant is over there, and it's just spread all over in here. All the blooms coming on this hibiscus here. Oh, there's quite a few germinated in this pot. Coral bells I planted this year. And here's some columbine I planted here this year too. And look at all the new growth on this coral bells down there in the middle. We're in here. This whole area was pretty well overrun with Vinca minor, which is a pretty tough ground cover to get rid of. And I'm thinking about planting some shade-loving plants in here, and I wanted to get rid of it first as much as I could. So I'm just dumping wood chips on it. Like every weekend I'll get some more and put on there. Here you can see this area better here. It'd be nice to have a bunch of shade-loving plants in there. Some more of this Vinca minor that's just run rampant in here and covered the whole ground. Here, I kind of saved this area for snow on the mountain. And it really hasn't, it's tried to escape into the grass, but we keep it mowed across there. Look at how it's growing into the grass here, where it just gets mowed every week. But the hostas do pretty good because they're a better ground cover and they're taller. So the hostas are keeping down the snow on the mountain pretty well. And I think I'm going to dig up all of these peonies, and I think the flowers are kind of insignificant, and throw them away and put hostas in here. I've got some out back that I could move. And there's more hostas in there. See, the snow on the mountain is pretty much kept under control by a combination of the Vinca minor, which is uncontrol of itself, and all these hostas. This here is a bleeding heart. It seems to do really good over here, especially in the first part of the year. It looks kind of straggly now, but in the first part of the year, it does real well. So I hope you liked that garden tour today, and if you could, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So thanks a lot, and I will see you next time. Bye.